Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to take loan or how to borrow money on Palmpay in 2024. Palmpay is a microfinancing app where you can carry out financial services such as buying airtime, transferring money or receiving money, as well as buying data. There are other things you can do on Palmpay such as betting fund, electricity bill, TV bills and other stuff. Not only that, here into this video, I want to show you that you can borrow money or take loan on Palmpay. And if you are not familiar to it, I'm going to show you everything from scratch. All you need to do is to stick with the video till the end. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. So when you're here, all you need to do is, if you look at the bottom line down here, this is what I'm talking about. Look at down here, you will see loan. So all you need to do is to click on loan. All right, it will just load and take us to this place, guys. This is where you can take loan. It's of two different categories. The first one is called flexi limit and the second one is called flexi cash. As you can see it up there, I have a flexi limit and we have a flexi cash. The difference between flexi limit and flexi cash is that while flexi cash can be withdrawn to your bank account, flexi limit cannot be withdrawn to your bank account, but you can use it to recharge, to buy data, as well as funding your betting website. But for flexi cash, you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. And this flexi limit comes with a very low interest, very low interest. There's no even a loan interest at all. When the recharge is done, the day specified, you have to repay it back before then. After then, it will be adding, you understand, known as interest. But for this one, when you are taking loan here, the interest will be added to it automatically. That is what you are going to repay back. Now, let me take loan so that you see how everything works. So all you need to do is to click on apply now. When you click on apply now, you click on get loan amount now. It will load. You understand now? So the next thing to do is to take a selfie to confirm it is you. Okay, the process is done now. It's uploaded completely and it will take us to the next step. And this second step now is called contacts. This is where you are going to add your family members or anybody's contact so that if they can't reach you, they're able to contact them. So I'm going to select people that I know now. I know this person, my friend. I select the other person. You have to select two contacts, you understand? Okay guys, it has taken us to this place. So I have to read this everything here so that you can understand it very well. If you pay on time, you will get higher loan amounts, longer loan term, lower interest rate. If you repay it late, automatic debit will occur, late fees, flexi credit penalties, credit prior report. You understand? So after reading everything, now make sure you understand their terms and conditions, then click on confirm. You understand? It will load and show you the loan amount that you're able to borrow. Although let's wait for it. Okay, for now I cannot take loan on this app. You understand? I cannot take loan at the moment. You understand? But you can give it a trial. Provided you have used this app for a long time, you're able to know your chance whether you are qualified to take this loan or not. So this is how awesome it is to take loan on Palmpay app. So if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing, turn on the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. Thanks for watching.